Hello, my name's Agasthya and I live in Sydney, Australia. I study 8th grade in Wollongong College and I've been doing robotics and coding for 6 months now. Today I've made a light-following robot. It uses the program Arduino and the robot consists of LDR sensors, LEDs, and a motor chip. This is the software Arduino that I used to code the robot. As you can see, the car consists of LDR sensors. They sense if there's any light around. Them and send information to the motor, which moves the car according to where the light was last recorded. I have added LEDs to act as indicators to show us where the car would be turning. If the left LDR sensors sense lights in the left side, the car will go left and the left LED will turn on. If the right LDR sensor picks up light, the right LED will turn on, showing it's going right. If both LED sensors detect light, the car will go forward and all the LEDs will turn on. I had fun building the car over the last few days, and I hope that I'll make more fun projects like this. Hello, my name's Agasthya and I live in Sydney, Australia. I study 8th grade in Wollongong College and I've been doing robotics and coding for 6 months now. Today I've made